Want to turn Manus AI into your own AI-powered stock research assistant? Here's how to build a simple stock analysis system step by step. Start by defining what you want your stock analysis system to do. For example, you can use Manus AI to track stock news, analyze company fundamentals, summarize earnings reports, compare stocks, or monitor price trends. Once you know your goal, create a workflow inside Manus AI that combines research prompts, financial data gathering, and summary generation into one process. Next, connect the system to reliable stock data sources or market tools if integrations are available. You can ask Manus AI to collect information about revenue growth, profit margins, analyst sentiment, market news, and competitor performance automatically. Organize your prompts so the AI consistently analyzes the same metrics for every stock you review. You can also create reusable templates for different investing styles, such as growth investing, dividend investing, or swing trading. Over time, refine the workflow by adding risk analysis, watch lists, or automated reports so Manus AI can generate structured investment summaries with less manual work. Finally, always review the AI's analysis before making financial decisions, since AI-generated insights can still contain mistakes or outdated information. Now you know how to build a stock analysis workflow with Manus AI and automate parts of your investment research process.